Hello everybody, Mathmagic here. Today we will solve a wonderful question which came in 2011 in a contest in Vietnam. Well, the question says find all positive integers n such that 7 to the power n plus 147 is a perfect square. Well, before I begin, please have a look at my style of writing. Isn't it interesting? Well, the sum is interesting too. Let's begin. First of all, you might have noticed that 7 to the power n plus 147. Now this 147 is 49 times 3. So I can say this the whole expression is 7 to the power n times 7 plus 7 squared times 3. So if n is less than 2, that is n can be 0, 1, then we can see that it is not a perfect square. So let us consider, so there are no solutions. So let us consider n to be greater than equal to 2. Now in this case, we can take some common 7 squared and then we have 7 to the power n minus 2 plus 3, isn't it? Now this is of the form x squared. Now you see 7 squared is a square term, so this must be some squared. So we can say 7 to the power n minus 2 plus 3 is y squared for some y belongs to I. And here also x belongs to I, right? Now notice that if n equals to 2, we have a perfect square. Because you see if n equals to 2, this is 1. So 1 plus 3 is 4, which is obviously a perfect square. But if n is greater than 2, then you see we have 7 to the power n minus 2 plus 3 is y squared. Now what I will do is take modulus 7 of both sides. Now since this is not 1, so it must give 0 mod 7. So I have 0 plus 3 mod 7 of the form y squared mod 7. So I am getting 3 mod 7 which is congruent to y squared mod 7. Now notice there are no solutions to this part. Why? Because for every square term, y square mod 7 belongs to 1, 2, 4 or 0. Other than this, it cannot belong to any value. So y square mod 7 can never result in 3. Well, we saw in one case that it resulted in 4, and obviously 4 is a perfect square. So yes, it was coming as a solution, but now it is coming 3 mod 7, which is not a solution. So our only solution to this question is n equals to 2. Well, as a trivially, you might have got that 7 squared plus 147 is coming a perfect square, but you needed a hint to find out all the other possible values, or if there is no other value, then what is the reason behind that. So that is the reason. All you need to do is just do modulus 7 and you get the solution. Well, that's everything for today's video. Already we have completed 25 subscribers. Thanks a lot for supporting, sharing your support, and also you will have to like this session, subscribe the channel if you haven't yet, and whatever. Till then, goodbye.